Okay, YouTubers, we're at it again. Another job. Any good job begins on your hands and knees. Any good job. It's a given. When you work as a driveway engineer or a curbside mechanic, your jobs are going to be like this, on your hands and knees, and you will be saying your prayers. You will be saying your prayers. COVID-friendly videos for my YouTube audience. Don't want anybody getting sick watching my videos. Even the Ford plastic rusts. How is that even possible? May you rust in peace. Okay, we're looking at the backside of a front disc on a Ford Ranger 2011. It's making some noise, and I can see the back plate is wearing on the disc. And the obvious sign of wear is right here. There's a big ridge. That rotor is gouged. Can they turn it? Possibly. I should put some penetrating oil in there. Holy cow. Okay, that's one of the issues. If you don't use dielectric grease on your threads when working on wheels, they do seize on you. So we're going to try to put a little bit of heat to her and see if that doesn't change things. And all you need to do is just put some oomph into it. Just like that. And we're gonna get all of these bolts off. Okay, these nuts are broken. Jack stand. Let's get this baby jacked up. Time for the vehicle to get pumped up into the air and get off the ground. Say fuck it, right there. Right there. And we keep the jack in place, and we got the tire clearance. Gloves on, wheel off. Let's take a closer look. Get these tools out of the way. These Goodyear. Well, this rotor has seen better days for sure. It's definitely corroded. The condition of the caliper. Oh, she's fucking hard as a rock. She's seized up hard. That caliper is toast. Rotor and brake caliper and brake pad replacement, it appears to be, and even a back plate. The rotor has worn a hole right through the back plate. The back plate is rubbing on the rotor. Whoa, I almost just bent that right off. Albeit, this probably is not going to get replaced, but it does rotate. That is rough. That's a lot of friction. See where the pad is rubbing. Right on the brake shoe housing. Here's the other one. It's really hard to see. This rotor is toasted. The control arms are fine, I guess. Corroded. Everything's corroded on this vehicle. The bushings seem to be okay. The suspension components here, I know it's hard to see without the flash on. They all seem to be okay. Wanted to look at the axle bolt here. See if I can remove this dust cap. There's the dust cap. Product number if anybody's interested in. The bearings look all right. This is bearing grease here. It is soft and goopy still inside of this axle. And bearing assembly is still in good condition. The crown nut and the cotter pin I will also be reusing as well. All right. I just need replacement parts now for this job to go forward. I also wanted to confirm that my 14 mil socket wrench was going to fit onto the caliper bolts for easy removal. And if they were seized, I would have been in a difficult situation, but I was able to loosen these nuts here and unscrew them, no problem. So the caliper will be removable. It's just this banjo bolt right here. That's my next concern, whether or not I'll be able to loosen that. I should be able to. And if I can get that off, then this whole caliper will come off and the rotor will come off, possibly in one piece, the rotor and the caliper connected to each other. And then I'll worry about trying to separate the caliper from the rotor, but I don't think I have to. This video is safe for YouTube viewers.